Okay, for me, it is very simple today. Okay, I am going to long this market. All right, but I am waiting it drop down about 16 point. Okay, probably 59.90. I go to buy it around this market. Okay, or if open shoot up to 60, 20 around there, I am going to short it. Okay, this is this simple. Okay, so watching it how it open. Okay, how it set up. It come down to about 590. Okay, 590. About 25 point down from here. Okay, I'm going to long this market, or I am going to short it if it go up to 60.20. Looks like it. We are coming down. Okay, so get ready to long this market. Okay, let's see. 59.90. Can you come down here or no? Around this area. Okay, so anyway, I am going to long this. It's easy money today.啊，佢都唔想喐咁，慢慢啦怕醜。先係開市嗰時候咧沽通佢仲快啲賺600-700蚊啊！而家買嘅石就不過遲早都走上去嘅而家先係賺咗350，先係開市嗰個時候沽通佢，你睇下幾快啊！跌幾多蚊啊？14蚊，14蚊700蚊啦，14蚊2,700，1,400蚊，仲快過而家買嘅向上走。Chicken shit，不過遲早都上去嘅，仲走高啲暫時咧又係差唔多475。Anyway, I'm entering a little bit early because I'm afraid I miss it. Okay, it's going up, doesn't matter. Okay, 525. Come on, let go. Do it a little bit fast. I like it.遲早都走上嚟啦，875落咗袋先啦，875 OK。如果今日喺倫敦嗰個中美談判咧唔啱咧，跌死。